In this video, I will show you how to delete your Wise account. So to do this, go and open up Wise, and then before you can actually delete your account, there is one step you need to take. You need to make sure that all your balances are zero. So just go and send all of the money that you have in your account. As you can see, I only have 33 cents. So go and send this to your other bank or a friend, wherever you want to send it to, but make sure that your Wise account is empty. Then after you do that, click on your initials in the top left. Then scroll down a bit until you see settings right here. So go and click settings. Now here at the bottom, you will see close account. Now once you click on that right here, you will see empty your account if you haven't done that yet. If you have done that, then you can simply click start account closure in the bottom. Now in the recommended section, they also recommend you to download your statements and reports and to download any receipts that you want to keep. So after doing that, just going to click start account closure and start the process of deleting your account, which will be pretty simple. So now you know how to delete your Wise account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.